What's up, YouTube? My name is RuMeal. Most of y'all might know me from dropping songs, music, all types of stuff like that, music videos. Normally I will be dropping a video, centered around my music, but lately I've been thinking to myself, I wanted to do something different, start doing some vlogs. And recently, over the years of work I've been doing, I've been having the opportunity to go behind the scenes at a lot of events. And got an event today that I'm going to called the Goodguys car show, being hosted down at the Ohio Expo Center, presented by Summit Racing. Homie of mine was able to get us in, get some back scenes time, like behind the scenes footage, stuff like that, whatever. But like I said, I wanted to make some vlogs, so I wanted to take you guys along with me. So I'm about to link up with the homie and then, show y'all what's going on. So my battery died, or my microphone died. Now we're in here checking out a bunch of different stuff in the Vender hall. See what they got. Oh, matter of fact, there's supposed to be neon lights somewhere. I seen that he showed that there's neon lights somewhere.
There's a vendor around here.
I want to know where the hell. Hey, why I thought this was somebody for real.
Oh, hey, I mean.
I'm about to end up walking in your way.
My parents have, they have Chevelle, AMXs, Camaro, so they're big muscle cars. It's that different generation, I think. Yeah, I've always said the front engine, rear drive, you can go to Home Depot and get stuff. So for me, it's trucks. My first vehicle was a 49 GMC.
Alright, so there goes the day right there. Went down there, enjoyed ourselves, had a good time. Back at the crib now. Got some goodie bags, Summit Racing. Optima batteries. So, you know what I'm saying? Did a lot. Went around, checked out the vendors, watched the time trials, even got to go on for a ride along at the time trials. My microphone died, but all in all, I had a good time. So if you want to see more videos like this, or just videos in general that's like some, vlogs, I want to do more vlogs, I'm going to do more, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.